What about numerology? How can that affect my life?
Sure. So when we talk about numerology, it's primarily about your words create vibrations. So each letter has a certain vibration behind that. For example, like if we talk about you, like you, Himanshu. So just to tell your name, so Himanshu, basically, what does it mean? What thoughts does it get into the subconscious? It gets the thoughts of Himalaya being an ansh. You are a ansh of Himalaya. Now, Himalaya is the most courageous and the most stiff mountain of all times. So you are that kind of person who might be very courageous and stiff, having a strong opinion about something, and it's like a mountain. So that is the quality that you have inherited just because of that name. So that is the primary philosophy when you talk about numerology. It's just that it has been categorized into various fancy things these days, and people misuse it also. But it is mainly based on what your words are creating vibrations, and how they will impact the personality, and how will that personality create a personal reality that is the future, or the so-called things. So that was one aspect of numerology. Then when we come to Vastu Shastra, it is basically it is not something new. It is pretty much mentioned in the Vishwakarma Prakash, the person who began with the Vastu Shastra. It is based on the philosophy of gravity, your North Pole and your South Pole. Basically, your brain is nothing but a connection. You have iron in the body, and that gets attracted to the poles of the Earth and various other things. So according to that, the walls, the windows, the position of your sleeping, and all these things have and significant impact on ourselves. Now when we talk about, you rightly said that Bill Gates and all these people, they don't follow numerology or say Vastu, and still they are the so-called Bill Gates or the Warren Buffett. Yes, I agree to that. It's because that we also don't need to follow it. It is something that, it's for people who have lost their track. It is not, see, why do people come to you? Only when they have an eye problem. They don't come to you, just let, my eyes are all right, but doctor, you do some surgery, please. It's never going to happen that way. So these are remedial measures that our ancestors have created. If you're not having a problem in your life, you were born this way. It's absolutely fine. You can continue with that. It's only when there is a disease, there is you give a remedy, or you do a surgery, or do you cure. And Vastu, numerology, that is the cure.